पूरा एपिसोड देखने के लिए सोनी लिव ऐप डाउनलोड करें।
Hello, darling. I decided to bring these two gentlemen along. I'm sorry. I hope that's okay.
It's fine.
The more the merrier, right?
Thank you. Thanks for the flowers. Sorry for this.
Thank you.
Pete.
Thank you.
So now that we're done with the hiring, I was thinking कि our legal को और expand करना चाहिए to other metros as well. You know, position it like a national firm.
Artie, I think that's a really good idea. As long as seniors के पास enough time है to set up the new branches. Otherwise, it'll just be very distracting, and it's not going to be easy anyway.
Darling, if I can keep you happy, बाकी सब आसान है. रही बात seniors की. So I feel that seniors need to bring in bigger clients. See, we are not making big monies anyway. We need to cut down a bit on the pro bono cases as well.
But Dad, our legal is doing so well. And alongside अगर हम pro bono cases लड़े, तो ये firm की image के लिए अच्छा है. And we must give back to society.
I agree with Nushka on this one, Artie. After all, firm के लिए winning के साथ-साथ prestige भी जरूरी होता है ना? So, if we pick up a few well-placed pro bonos associated with good causes, those kind of cases, it'll be great PR and really good for the firm.
और तुमसे better कोई हो ही नहीं सकता to teach me how to run my firm. Well, I think, darling, you should be on a permanent retainership as a consultant with us then.
I hate it when you're this insecure, Artie. It's a solid suggestion and you know it.
Dad, Ramya is right. It does make sense.
Well, sure, now my girlfriend and my daughter are ganging up against me. Brilliant.
Sir, may I?
Of course.
We all know your passion to win. और हम जीत भी रहे हैं. In fact, our legal is one of the topmost firms in the country. जीतने के लिए हमसे जो भी होता है हम करते हैं. You know, we push, we bulldoze, but we get it done. But I think, sir, it's a very masculine mindset, a very male-centric approach. Anushka and Ramya ma'am, they've given their point of view. तो इस बार क्या हम इस केस को थोड़ा softly approach कर सकते हैं? I mean, a little feminine strategically. और जैसे आपने कहा, we may just go national. अब मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था सर, इसलिए मैंने सोचा मैं बोल दूं.
Okay, I've had a change of heart, Nush. इसको कभी डंप मत करना. I see. So इस तरह से एंट्री हुई है तुम्हारी रायसिंघानी हाउस में. And trust Nushka to be this large-hearted.
She is, trust me, and I'm really grateful to her.
हम US में मिले हैं. No, wait. मेरी last India trip में? Am I right? Am I close?
I don't think so, ma'am, because मैंने तो कभी इंडिया के बाहर ट्रैवल ही नहीं किया. And इंडिया में I don't think so we've bumped into each other. क्योंकि अगर किया होता तो You're so beautiful. आपका चेहरा कोई कैसे भूल सकता है?
Well, thank you. Compliments accepted. But मुझे चेहरे नहीं भूलते. It's the superpower that I have. And that face, those eyes. You are so familiar. I know I'm missing something.
Maybe she reminds you of someone.
Yeah, possibly that's it. Anyway, our legal में तुम्हारा future तो बहुत bright है because you have such a winning personality.
That she does. Like seriously, इतने छोटे समय में, she's managed to prove a lot, and somehow I feel like she's
She's my little sister.
पूरा एपिसोड देखने के लिए सोनी लिव ऐप डाउनलोड करें।